Supreme Court rejects Alex Jones's appeal of $1.4 billion defamation judgment in Sandy Hook shooting. So basically, he said it was a hoax. They sued him about it for defamation for $1.4 billion. He tried to appeal it, and they just rejected the appeal. The Supreme Court on Tuesday rejected an appeal from conspiracy theorist Alex Jones and left in place the $1.4 billion judgment against him over his description of the 2012 Sandy Hook Elementary School shooting as a hoax staged by crisis actors. The InfoWars host had argued that a judge was wrong to find him liable for defamation and infliction of emotional distress without holding a trial on the merits of allegations lodged by relatives of victims of the shooting, which killed 20 first graders, goodness gracious, and 6 educators in Newtown, Connecticut. The justices did not comment on their order, which they issued without even asking the families of the Sandy Hook victims to respond to Jones' appeal. An FBI agent who responded to the shooting also sued. Jones filed for bankruptcy in late 2022, and his lawyers told the justices that the plaintiffs have no possible hope of collecting the entire judgment. He is separately appealing a $49 million judgment in a similar defamation lawsuit in Texas after he failed to turn over documents sought by the parents of another Sandy Hook victim. In the Connecticut case, the judge issued a rare default ruling against Jones and his company in late 2021 because of what she called Jones's repeated failure to abide by court rulings and to turn over certain evidence to the Sandy Hook families. The judge convened a jury to determine how much Jones would owe. The following year, the jury agreed on a $964 million verdict, and the judge later tacked on another $473 million in punitive damages against Jones and Free Speech Systems' InfoWars parent company, which is based in Austin, Texas. In November, the satirical news outlet The Onion was named the winning bidder in an auction to liquidate InfoWars' assets to help pay the defamation judgments. But the bankruptcy judge threw out the auction results, citing problems with the process and The Onion's bid. The attempt to sell off InfoWars' assets has moved to a Texas state court in Austin. Jones is now appealing a recent order from the court that appointed a receiver to liquidate the assets. Some of Jones's personal property is also being sold off as part of the bankruptcy case. So, all in all, they rejected it, and he still owes like more than $1 billion in defamation lawsuits. This is insane. But y'all give me a follow, give me a like, share this to somebody that doesn't know this. And follow me on YouTube and Twitch. I'll be going live, same name as here. Twitter and Threads, same name as here. And then if you take the one off my TikTok name and just put that into all music platforms, you're going to stumble upon some fire, if you will. And I would really appreciate it if you did. Until next time, y'all. Peace.